Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make edible glue. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel to watch other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you would like to watch next. We also show some quick and easy hacks to try at home. Now to begin with the video, the main ingredient what you'll require is CMC powder. Depending on how much glue you want to make, you can add in more CMC powder. Now to this I'll add in few tablespoons of water. For 1 teaspoon of CMC powder, I'm adding in 4 to 5 tablespoons of water in total. And now I'm going to mix them up. Mix it until you get rid of all the lumps. Add in more water if it's lumpy or thick, if required only. And there you go guys, edible glue is now ready. It's a very simple way to get edible glue. Do try it at home. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on bell icon to get notified on our new videos.